Good morning, aloha. It is summertime almost, and this week in science we're going to be talking about solids, liquids, and gases. So let me show you something that is solid. So I have a cup right here, and it's solid, it's hard, it's kind of like those 3D shapes, those solid figures. I can hold on to it, it takes up space. Now when we talk about a liquid, I have a water bottle here, and you can see it moves, it's liquidy, it doesn't have a shape, it has the shape of the bottle that I have it in. But if I were to pour it in something else, it would take the shape of a different cup. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is a gas. And so a gas is when you take water and you boil it, for example, it turns into steam. So this week I thought we would have fun and we would make some ice cream. And I'm going to show you a really easy way to make ice cream using coffee creamer. So this is my coffee cream, and I'm going to show you, I had my coffee this morning, I haven't had yet, but this is when I open it, this is a liquid, so watch. It's going into my coffee, it's going to make it, I don't want to spill it, it's going to make it nice and creamy, and it's going to make it taste delicious. Well, in ice cream, there's some key ingredients. If you're making vanilla ice cream, you have vanilla and sugar and heavy cream. Well, coffee creamer already has vanilla, sugar, and coffee cream. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our coffee creamer and we're gonna put it in some ice, and we're gonna use some rock salt. And what the rock salt is gonna do is it's gonna take the ice and it's gonna help it to melt and make it even colder. And so right now, this is at what we call room temperature. So it's the temperature of our room. So this was in my house, so it's the temperature of my house. Now, in order for ice cream to turn from this liquid coffee creamer into ice cream, it has to turn into 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's the point where it would freeze and turn into ice cream. So in a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how to make my coffee cream ice cream. And if you want to do it like a bag ice cream, you can do it where you actually get cream and the sugar and the vanilla and you mix it all up and put it in a Ziploc bag, and it'll be the same thing. But since I have this at my house, I thought we would give it a try. So let's see how we do. Okay, so we're gonna try and make some ice cream with some rock salt. So I'm gonna use a coffee tumbler because it gets really cold. And I'm gonna put some ice in the bottom. And then I'm gonna sprinkle a little rock salt. And I just got this from the grocery store. I'm not gonna use very much, just a little bit. And that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna take my coffee cream. And you can hear it's a liquid, and I'm gonna drop that in, and then I'm gonna put more ice. We want it to be very cold on top, and I'm gonna seal my container and start shaking. Great, it's been 5 minutes, so we're gonna check it real quick. So I'm gonna take some of that ice out, and let's give it a little shake. It's not as liquidy, but I can still hear a little bit in there, so we're gonna try 5 more minutes, and we'll check back. Okay, it's now in 15 minutes of shaking. So let's see how we're at. It could take 20 minutes, but we'll see. So, doesn't feel liquidy. It might be a little slushy. I'm gonna go ahead and try it because my arms are tired. Let's open it up. Ice cream! It worked! It worked! Look! Ice cream! Try it at home and let me see. Come here, guys. How's it taste? How about you? What's it taste like? Ice cream. I hope you have fun making it at home. About 15 minutes. You do need some rock salt, and you do need, I think the tumbler helped more than a bag, so try it and let us know what you think. Bye. Making ice cream today was a lot of work, but I have a little trick for you. This is my house, and this is my refrigerator, and this is my freezer. So if I take my coffee creamer and I put it in my freezer for about an hour, when I open it up, guess what I'm gonna have? Ice cream. So if you don't feel like shaking and doing ice and getting rock salt and having to wait 15 minutes, you can just put your little ice cream, coffee creamer in the freezer, and it will do the work for you, and it will bring it down to that 32 degrees we talked about and turn it into frozen ice cream. Or if you really don't want to have to do the work, you can do what my kids do. You can buy some ice cream at the store. So I hope you had fun, and let me know if you made some ice cream. See you soon, friends. Bye.